So we got this situation to handle. So if the function satisfies, let's write down the function x minus y f of x plus y minus x plus y into f of x minus y equals 2 times x square y minus y cube. Now listen these lines carefully. So I feel that we cannot take x equals to y because it will become 0 and it will manipulate this person as well. And this thing will become 0 and we will be left with whom? We will be left with 2 times x into f of 0 and we will not get f of x. Correct? But still we have to find out who is f of x. So look at the idea. If you'll observe, we have x minus y. We have x plus y. Can we create x minus y and x plus y from here? Yes, we can. If we will take y common from that component, we will be having 2y x square minus y square. So x plus y, x minus y. Okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to divide both sides by x plus y, x minus y. Okay? So look at this, what will happen. First I will rewrite this situation. So we got the result as this. Done. Now we will divide both sides by the x plus y and x minus y. So we will be left with f of x plus y upon x plus y minus f of x minus y upon x minus y is equal to 2y. And look at this, how we will manipulate from here onwards. So you know that you have to find out f of x, है ना? So what I will do, for time being I will take x plus y as a and x minus y as b. And look at this, how I will manipulate from here. So it is f of a upon a minus f of b by b and equals to, look at this, we have 2y. So can we write 2y as a minus b? Just tell me. If you will observe from here, no, you can write 2y as a minus b. Now, can I put a wala element on one side and b wala element on one side? So we will be left with f of a by a minus a is equal to f of b by b minus of b. Now look at this. Don't you think it is similar like situation? And you know that both components are equal. A is a number, b is a number, and f of b and f of a is also a number. So can we equate it with some random arbitrary constant lambda? Okay. Now let's write down the function. So can I write that function to be f of x by x minus x equals to lambda. So we will have f of x as lambda x plus x square. So we got our polynomial function in which the lambda is the arbitrary constant. So we have to find out the value of lambda. So from here we will get the value of lambda. So they are saying that f of 1 is 2. So let's proceed. So f of 1 is lambda plus 1 and f of 1 is 2 is equal to 2. So can I say that the value of lambda is 1? So we can write f of x to be x square plus x. So we got our f of x as the polynomial function of degree 2 whose roots are 0 and 1, and from now here onwards you can talk about the situations which they will ask in the question. I hope you find this question to be a little bit unique, and that's why we guys have introduced this question into our session so that you can have broader understanding about the topic. Okay, and also I would suggest you guys, if you'll find any unique type question, please suggest us so that we can take those things in upcoming sessions and we can upgrade together. Okay.